Hi everyone, on this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the aspect ratio of your video in Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna change the aspect ratio from from landscape to a vertical video, so you can use it to your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or even in TikTok. Here's how you can do it. You'll see that I already have imported a video on my timeline, and the video is on landscape mode. So if you wanna change it to a vertical form, you just need to go to the setting on this section. Just need to click this project settings. And then here you'll see that the default resolution of my video is at 1920 by 1080 in HD. So if you wanna go change it to vertical, you can actually type it in here manually. But here's a button that you can just click it and then it will change to vertical resolution. Once you click it and then save it, you'll see your video is already in vertical um, position, and you can use it on your TikTok Reels, Facebook Reels, or even in your Instagram Reels. All right, and that's how you can change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.